Okay, yeah, it's really dark over here, but let's see if these elevators are working right now. They should be. Yes, they are. These are the elevators here at the Rotunda Wing, Mall of America, here in Bloomington, Minnesota. Let's go before. Here we are at 4. Let's go down to 1. This is gonna be a short video because that elevator's being worked on. Right, here we are back down at 1. Alright, there it goes. Since the other one's broken, that's it. We're gonna go around and get a thumbnail. The reason why nobody's here is because it's 8 in the morning and the mall's just opened. I'm telling you, these elevators were literally impossible to film yesterday.